Hi creators! The new Flow Transformation effect available in VSDC 6.7 allows you to do some pretty cool stuff, including the Star Trek Transporter effect. Let's see how you can recreate it with just a couple of steps. For this tutorial, you'll need the transporter backdrop, which can be an image or a video. You also need green screen footage with a person standing at full height. If you don't have such footage in mind, you can find a project for practice in the description below. To get started, launch VSDC, create a new project, and import your files. First things first, we need to remove the green background. To do that, apply the background remover effect to the green screen video. If you've never worked with the background remover tool in VSDC, you can watch a detailed tutorial here. Move to the Properties window to adjust the parameters of the background remover effect. First, select the eyedropper in the Chroma Key Color tool and click anywhere on the green background. Next, find the option called Apply to Source and activate it to achieve higher precision. Great job! Then set for the median level and blur level set to maximize level and minimize level at 0. Now we need to choose the minimum and maximum values for hue, lightness and saturation by simply changing them and checking the result. As soon as you like what you see, apply the Hue Saturation Lightness effect from the Adjustments menu. Select Green. Notice, there are 3 control points on the color spectrum. Grab the control point in the middle and drag it closer to the center of the spectrum. Then drag the remaining 2 points further from the center to eliminate the green shades. Your footage is ready. Let's move on to the Appearance effect. Open the Video Effect menu, proceed to Transitions, and select Flow Transformation. Set the effect duration at 1 second. Then open the Template menu and select Fractal In. If the distortion is too severe, you can change the distortion factor. In our case, it's 5%. Open the Distortion Factor menu, find Pattern Width, and type 4. This way the distortion will be vertical, because we sort of squeezed the pattern. Once it's done, let's adjust the lighting. Open the Video Effect menu, proceed to Nature, and add Shadow. Set the effect duration at 1.5 seconds. Go to the Properties window, find Light Angle and Shadow Distance. Set 0 for both parameters. Select blue as the shadow color and increase the shadow max size to 50. Set intensity at 10. Switch both parameters to dynamic mode. Set the initial value for shadow max size at 50 and the final value at 0. Do the same for intensity. Set the initial value at 10 and the final value at 0. Open the Blending Mode menu and select Screen for the shadow effect. Alright, now let's create a rectangle the size of the scene and set its duration in 1.5 seconds. Paint the rectangle the same blue color the shadow has. Then open the Blending Mode menu and apply Source atop. Select the rectangle and apply the fade-out transition effect. The transition and the rectangle should have the same duration. Moving back to the backdrop, place the cursor at the end of the rectangle and create a marker. In our case, we need to stretch the backdrop to the size of the main footage with the character. Go back to the main timeline and duplicate the backdrop. Then make a click on the lower copy and set its opacity level at 40%. Double-click on the copy at the top and apply the fade-out transition effect with the same duration as the rectangle has. Adjust the layers using the markers if needed. Let us know what you think about the new effect. Leave a comment below and remember to subscribe if you haven't done it yet. Until next time!